if you are lucky enough to survive a building falling on top of you, it may be that your limbs have been trapped for a period of time under rubble to the point that you can experience kidney failure. Crush injuries go along with these orthopedic injuries, and they often also are a part of when somebody is recovering after having lost, say, their legs. For someone who was under the rubble, who was trapped in a way where they saw their family members die right in front of them, they also have this emotional aspect to it. Mental health care is absolutely vital as a full package of care, and that's one of the reasons that Doctors Without Borders has been focused on something we call psychological first aid, which just is an approach to get you through those initial few days. People are also going to be suffering gravely from separation from their medications for chronic diseases like heart disease or diabetes. I mean, a lot of things that normally are very treatable, manageable in regular times.